stack tall right now. Make the money stack tall. Make the money stack tall right now. Make the money stack tall.
Survivable now, not doing any tasks. Baby boy got the bounce, I'm loading by the ounce. Okay, confidence sprout like a garden of bloom. Y'all polluting my style. Okay, nah, y'all be fishy like trout, fever green like I'm grouch. Oscar now, maybe soon. Pray my homies as well, pray my homeland as well. And when I'm back to my city, I'm bringing back on my belt. Top down, shock and open up now. Saw you outside, through baby like now. Pizza, you can put your feet up. I said like.
Today the curls are coming for the girls. What is up, you guys? It is Tuesday, May 17th, and today I'm really excited to do another spring clean with me. And today we're focusing on the stuff that I've been putting off. I'm sure you guys can relate. I mean, how often do you clean out your fridge? I don't, don't really focus on it. So today we're going to be cleaning out the fridge, organizing and restocking the pantry. I've also got some new decor items for the bathroom. I also want to see if I can get to cleaning all the carpets today, but again, we will see. Just made myself a whipped coffee for the first time in so long. If you guys have been on my channel for any length of time, you guys know that this was like my addiction, and then Alani Nu swooped in and just took over the scene. But that looks like mold. Yeah, that doesn't look cute. Anyways, like I was saying, today we are bringing it back, and it is super delish, and I'm excited to sip on this while we're cleaning. We've got a lot to do. And it's always a bit overwhelming when you first start, but once you get into that groove, it's just smooth sailing from there. But anyways, I'm itching to restock, and I already started by starting a load of laundry. I always do that when I'm cleaning. I get a load of laundry going that way when I'm doing everything else. I'm, multitasking. We love a multitasking girl. We've got a lot ahead of us, so without further ado, grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's start cleaning. Now I'm gonna be real and honest with you guys. It's been about 1.5 years, maybe 2 years since I've actually cleaned out my fridge. And when I say clean, I mean pull all the drawers out, wipe and wash everything in the sink, put it back, make it fresh, make it clean, make it all cute. Like, that's what I mean when cleaning out my fridge. Of course, I throw out stuff that's expired, as we go through life, but you get what I mean. I don't need to give you the rundown, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview. So this is what the fridge is currently looking like. Like I said, it's not too bad. Tons of fruit. I also have some hamburger that I need to separate and put in the freezer. There's the door. Now the cabinets are looking pretty good so far because I've organized things in the past. Now I highly recommend putting items in jars. It might seem like it's a lot to keep up with, but it's truly not. I have things in some baskets, and then I have some clean jars in here that I've been waiting to restock with you guys. Below is where it's looking a little rough. I have some new gray baskets that I got from the dollar store that I'll be switching. This part is really just bothering me. It's not organized. It could be a lot better, and I'm excited to tackle all of that. And this area is a complete disaster as well. I need to go through all of this. Like, it's just not working for me. It's gotta go.
Baby boy.
Make the money stack tall right now. Make the money stack tall. stack tall. And if you're breaking the bread, I need your hands in the air like praise. Just need to see my family fed.
Survival mode now, not doing any tasks. Baby boy got the bounce, I'm loading by the ounce. Okay, confidence sprout like a garden of bloom. Y'all polluting my style. Okay, nah, y'all be fishy like trout, fever green like I'm grouch. Oscar now, maybe soon. Pray my homies as well, pray my homeland as well. And when I'm back to my city, I'm bringing back on my belt. Top down, shock and open up now. Saw you out, slide through, baby, like now. Pizza, you can put your feet up. Acid like some meters, baby, just an hour or 2 or 3. Money to make, tell them goodbye. We're just gonna have a good night. Oh no, yeah, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me.
Keep the money stacked tall right now. Keep the money stacked tall. And if you're breaking the bread, I need your hands in the air like praise. Just need to see my family fed.
Back when I ain't getting no spins, basement freestyles, all the kids wanted in. Same ones who left me out of combos cause my skin tone. Yeah, I never fit in, now you're talking, claim me that I'm your friend. I can tell who'll go ride for me, be beside for me, when I'm down for me. I'll be there, just bears, also cry with me. You are the light for me. When I rush out, it's top down, shock and open up now. Saw you out, slide through, baby, like now. Pizza, you can put your feet up. Acid like some meters, baby, just an hour or 2 or 3. Money to make, tell them goodbye. We're just gonna have a good night. Oh no, yeah, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me.
Just gonna have a good night. Just gonna have a good night. Just gonna have a good night. Just gonna have a good night.
Baby girl, go ahead, take it and check. If no one else there, you should be your only fan. Baby girl, go ahead, take it and back. If no one else there, I'ma be your only fan. Baby girl, go ahead, take it and check. If no one else there, you should be your only fan. Baby girl, go ahead, make it and back. If no one else there, I'ma be your only fan. Shock and open up now, saw you out, slide through, baby, like now. Pizza, you can put your feet up. Acid like some meters, baby, just an hour or 2 or 3. Money to make, tell them goodbye. We're just gonna have a good night. Oh no, yeah, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me. Don't know my day job, this ain't a pay stub. How can I stay here? How can I face this? Running out of patience, am I a failure? Feel like I'm played out, feel like I'm drained out. I take a step out, I say a prayer, and I see my baby.
I've got all of the drawers and shelves drying. The inside is clean. I still have this one last shelf to do. I set the milk and meat in there while I was washing. That didn't take long at all, like not at all. That was very quick and easy, which I was surprised because I thought I was gonna have to put some elbow grease in, but we did okay. So first I need to finish cleaning off that top shelf, and then I'm gonna go through everything and check like expiration dates, all that good jazz, and then start putting the shelves back in and then organizing from there, and then we can head on to the pantry.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, vice,
Vice, vice.
I'm all about your vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good job, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods. Yeah, I don't really care, 'cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough. No, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, 'cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe.
Already all done with the fridge, and it is looking so good. I love the way it turned out. I had a few things to throw away, but there wasn't much, and it just feels so nice to finally get it done and cleared out. And yeah, I'm just loving the way it looks. Chloe wants to say hello. She's just wondering what the hell I'm doing. She's just has so much to smell, so much to inspect, and she's like on one. But for the most part, she's been staying out of the way, so it's all good. I'm about to turn on the water for her because she's not thirsty. Her water dish is completely full. She just loves drinking out of the faucet. Loves it. Now I'm going to be moving on to the pantry, and this is where I feel like I've got a lot to clean out. I've been washing a lot of mason jars and containers leading up to this video, so all that is out of the way, which is really nice. So I'm going to start pulling the empty containers and figuring out what I don't need, what I do need, and all that jazz. I also have 2 gray bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, so I'll be switching those out. Of course, restocking and all that. So let's get started.
I'm gonna pull up shawty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left in my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah, break bread and break hearts. Don't get me started now. Break up to break down. I'm getting.
So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of different jars. They're all mix matched. I do love these though. They're from Target. You can get bigger sizes too. This big one's like $4 something. Very affordable for really pretty mason jars, but you definitely don't need to go out and buy a whole like set. It's just not necessary. I do love the push top, but it's a lot of money. It's just not necessary, especially when you're already buying things like pasta jars and things like that. You can just clean them out and repurpose them for your pantry. Don't feel pressured to spend a ton of money. It's just not necessary. Like I mentioned, I went to the Dollar Tree and picked these up. Like, you don't need to buy bins from Target or anything like that. It's truly not necessary. Save your coin where you can. I'm so excited to restock everything. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been putting this video off, so I've also been putting off restocking, which is something I love to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have to kind of Chloe, I think she's gotten into her catnip. She's a little rowdy. She's a little rowdy. But I need to kind of figure out what things need to go in what containers. I am going to be transferring our cinnamon sugar to this container. This was actually an old pepper container that I got from Costco, which again is perfect for reuse. So it'll be a lot easier to pour cinnamon sugar from this because it's got that kind of spout. And this, again, I can use for something else. So we've got a lot to do. I'm really excited though and looking forward to it. So let's get started.
Getting money now, fuck love, I can't trust. I'm too damn jaded now. Break laws, got lockjaw, little shawty tweaking now. I fell in love with a moolah. I need my wrist like a cooler. She got get head like a tutor. Wanna love but she a loser. Me and my brothers ran through her. She know that I'm a straight shooter, so my chick bad like Luda. Ooh, I'm gonna pull a shawty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left in my life started feeling right. yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah, whip a Tesla off the fucking lot. I got hella bands on me, fuck a sing along. They won't ever bang on me while I got this Glock. Only talking big money, cause I love the guap. I'm flipping big bags in a fresh cash, no tic-tacs. My life look like Six Flags, they big mad, I know that. Bitch, I'm front of V, so you know my fit on drip, drip, drip. C'est c'est la vie, when I hit that bitch, then tip, 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 yeah.
You guys, look at how hard these are. Like, oh my god. Wow. That's embarrassing.
I got too much on my mental, cause I done made it out of Central. Now I'm the one they shorty into, but I can't never love a bitch like, ooh. I'm gonna pull a shorty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left them, my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah.
I need a little weed to fall asleep. Not a big deal, just helps me breathe. It's okay, I work it all out. I go higher, higher so I don't fall. Been there once, never going back now. I'm sorry, I'll never come down. But I look at myself at the end of the night. Try to dig deep but I find got a border between what I take, what I need. I can see it in them, what I don't feel in me. There's a knock on the door, I don't try anymore. But maybe when I'm older, I'll go cross that border.
Just got done taking out all the recycling and the trash, and when I went outside I noticed that the bird feeder in the backyard was pretty close to being empty, which is a good sign. Chloe's been obsessed, she's been loving it. She's either always in this window up front or the one out back. I would add another bird feeder up front, but then we'd have a monsoon of birds, so I'm gonna refill that really quickly. I'm also gonna water my flowers, and then I'm gonna start redecorating the bathroom. I've got a new shower curtain, and I think that's it.
I'll go cross that border. Everybody tells me their problems.
You guys, look how rusty these are. That is freaking nasty. This is very different for me. I normally always go with white shower curtains, but because it's like neutral and there's lots of gray in it, I think it's gonna look so pretty and just be a pop.
I don't really mind, I don't stop. It's fine, you can put it on me. I got time for all your issues.
By the way, got my shower curtain. By the way, got my shower liner from the Dollar Tree. I always get mine there just because it's gonna get grody anyway, and this is something you're always gonna throw away and replace. Like, it's just, it is what it is. So I refuse to spend more than $1. Like, I refuse. So that is what we are using.
Don't hurt you, it's alright. I'll take him on me. But I look at myself at the end of the night. Try to dig deep, but I find got a border between what I take, what I need. I can see it in them.
Okay, I am so happy with the bathroom. And you guys, all I did was change the shower curtain. That's all I did. I got it for $9.99 at Burlington Coat Factory. I mean, you just can't beat it. And it looks like a completely different bathroom. But yeah, I feel so good. I feel so organized. Not only is my head clear, but my home feels good. And that is like the best feeling in the world. There's nothing worse to me than having my home feel like complete chaos, out of control, unmanageable, cluttered, just like I can't deal. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope I was able to motivate or maybe inspire you to spruce up an area in your home. Just give it a quick tidy. It's really just starting. That's the hard part. Once you get started, it's game on. So once again, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you made it this far, consider subscribing before you leave. I'd love for you to join the fam. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love creating content over there. Enjoy the bloopers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Alrighty, so today the curls are coming for the girls. I am glowy and just thriving, truly. But anyways, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday, May 17th, and today I'm really excited to do we're doing a little clean with me, and I'm the outside noise. Oh shit! Completely broke that and scared the crap out of Chloe. And today I'm really gonna... Chloe, what is the noise? Chloe, the noise. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Chloe, the noise. One sec. Did I put this in room? No. And we are having our... Chloe, get. That looks like mold. Yeah, that doesn't look cute. Chloe always loves a debut. Chloe, you're gonna knock down my camera and Mama's gonna be upset. So I will open the window for you in a second. Oh. Okay, yeah, I put that in there wrong. I'm a fucking mess. I'm a fucking mess, dude. Shit. Now that's just me. I don't have any kids. It's just me and my husband. So I feel really lucky in that sense because I know how hard it can be for moms to keep... Whoa, that was a huge bee. Okay, that was huge. Looked like a freaking butterfly, but it was not. Am I tripping? Or do I have to put the other part in here? Oh, that's the top. That's why. Duh. Oh, because this is the fucking... It needs to be flipped around, you dumb nut. Can't even keep my window open because my neighbors are just so loud. Can't even let the brush breeze in. That's not tall enough. Fuck. A monsoon of birds. The birds are just, they're coming for the girls. They're now aware that this is the place to be, and I got the bird feed on deck, so.
Ooh, I'm gonna pull up shawty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left them, my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I'll do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left, I told them I would get it right. Yeah, yeah, break bread and break hearts. Don't get me started.